So guys, here you see one more LeetCode camp video has been came on this channel, and this is a very unique video because in today's video I am promoting one AI Detector Pro website which helps you in your coding journey. Okay, so please see this video start to end because in the middle of the video I will be promoted, so please see that. And what is the name of this AI Detector Pro? So please see the video start to end because it is very helpful for you. But anyways, in today's video we are solving our question number 539 by the name of minimum time difference. Okay, and this is a medium one question which we are solving, and in that question there are some of the topics are included by the name of array, math, string and sorting. Okay, and please like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So let's move to computer screen, and you are very excited. You don't know what is the name of this AI Detector Pro, but I will be telling you in the middle of the video. So that's why I'm telling you, see the video start to end. But anyways, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start our today's video in which I am solving our question number 539 by the name of minimum time difference. And like I have told you in my introduction, I am promoting one AI Detector Pro website. What is the name of that website? I will be telling you in the middle of the video. So that's why this video is very important to see start to end. Okay, so now let's start to solve our 539 question by the name of minimum time difference. Now first of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say, then we'll be start to solve it. Now it is giving me a list of 24-hour clock time which is points in hour and minute format, and then it returned the minimum minutes. Okay, please highlight the minutes like that. Okay, now minutes difference between any two time points in the list. So here it has been given me two cases, so let's read these both cases. So now first case is in which he created a string integer array by the name of time points, in which he wrote in down 23 raised to 59 and 0 0. Okay, it has created one list of 24-hour clock time points. Okay, now and the output I'm coming one, then here he get one second list of 24-hour clock time points in which he written down 0 0 0, then 23 59, then 0 0 0 0, and the output I'm coming 0. And these are the constraints which he used to solve this question. Here you can see it. Now let's try to solve this question anyways. Now first of all we come on to Google Chrome, and when we come on to Google Chrome, so now there is a medium question which we are solving, and in that question there are some of the topics are included: array, math, string and sorting. And total 5,14,000 people have submitted this, and only 3,20,000 has been accepted. And if you do not understand the question, what is the question is trying to say is, the question is trying to say is, it has been given you a list. You all the people know what is the meaning of list if you learn about the Python. Okay, it is given you a list of 24-hour clock points in hour, this is hour, and in minutes format. Please do it in the black color so then it will be visible for you. Now in hour and minute format, and what is our task? We want to return the minimum minutes difference between any two time points in the list, and we want to find the minimum minutes. Okay, so please minutes is very common word, so let's try to solve it in a Python 3. But now let's promote that website. What is the name of that website? So let's go and let's talk about it. What is the name of the website? It's one AI Detector Pro website. So now let's come and let me explain you what is the work of it and how it used and how it is beneficial for you. Okay, so now let's come. In today's video, I want to quickly introduce to CodeSpy.ai, a tool that helps you detect AI generated code in your solutions. It works with languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, C# and PHP. Perfect for anyone working with these languages. So now let's see how it works. So now let's see. To get started, just click the link in the description to create an account. After logging in, you will get a full access the platform, and I have got an upgraded account so you can explore everything CodeSpy.ai has to offer. Now let's take a look at an example in Java. On the left we have some AI generated code, and on the right we have human written code. CodeSpy.ai clearly identifies the AI generated code. These parts may include issues like outdated libraries, memory malfunctions, or referencing non-extant databases. There are potential risks you want to catch early on. Notice how CodeSpy.ai highlights in the AI generated sections, which could lead to problems like database malfunctions or outdated references. This makes it easy for you to spot and address issue before they affect your project. Now, human code. Now, on the other hand, there is the human written code is marked separately. There is where the developer's experience and decision making come into play, and these sections tend to be more reliable. The key here is that CodeSpy.ai doesn't alter or rewrite any code. Instead, it simply identifies where potential problems might occur due to use of AI generated code. Whether you are working solo as a consultant or as a part of larger team, CodeSpy.ai helps you catch AI related issues early. This tool is especially useful for small businesses as well as medium-sized teams working with languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, C#, and PHP. So, if you are looking to make sure your code is free of AI generated bugs, definitely give CodeSpy.ai a try. Link in the description below. It's a handy tool for any developer working with the mentioned languages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tips. So, I hope you enjoyed that AI Detector Pro website by the name of CodeSpy. Now let's come on to the video. So now we are solving this question in the Python 3. So let's start to solve this question in the Python 3. Like you all the people know, from the starting we are solving all the question in the Python 3. So let's start. So first of all, here I define a class of a solution, because there is a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever you start to solve any question, first of all you define a class of a solution. If you do not define a class of a solution, it will be give you an error. Define a def keyword, find main difference, self comma time points. Define a list str and then minor greater than int. Now I'm defining time points because time points is our name of our list string. Okay. Now here I convert time from mm to minutes, signs. Now def time to minutes, time, then str, then minus greater than int, hours comma minutes equals to map int comma time dot split, perfect, and then like that. Now in this line, okay, so in this line what I am doing, let me tell you, hours multiplied by 60 plus minutes. In this line here I convert time from hour and minutes to minutes, sign 000. Okay. Now step number 1. First step, what is your first step? First of all, in the first step you want to convert all the times to minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, so now in this line here I convert our all the time to minutes. Now here I write minutes time to minutes TP. Now let me tell you what you can do. Now when you write this time TP, so you only want to do it, give the space from here, define for loop TP in time points. Okay, so in this step here, what I do, we convert in this line, in the 9 line here, I convert our all the time to minutes. Now step 2. Now in the step 2 here, I sort the minutes. Now let's sort it minutes also. So I have sorted the minutes also successfully, yes. So now let's come on over step 3. So in the step 3, what we want to do, in the step 3, I calculate the minimum difference between consecutive times. Means that in this line here I am calculate the minimum difference between consecutive times. Okay, float and then INMF. And here I initialize to a large number, I mean. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do now, here I define for loop I in range 1 comma. Now here I'm finding the length of our minutes. Now min def equals to min def comma minutes I, then minus minutes I minus 1. Enter press. Now when we do this all the things, so we only want to do it. Now we come out of a step 4, means in the last step. Here I check the circular difference between the last and first time points. Okay, now circular diff equals to 1440, means 1440. Here I write minutes minus 1 plus minutes. So in the end I will be also explaining you the code also. Min def equals to min def comma circular diff. Now here I return my output. So now what you gonna do now? Now do that as a comment, or I will be remove it also. Okay, comment, or if you want to remove it, so remove it. Okay, take your own choice. So now in this line, in the 4th to 5th 6th line here, I convert time from hour to minute sign 000. In the 9 line here I convert all the time to minutes. Then in the step 2 here I sort the minutes. In the 15 till 18 line here I calculate the minimum difference between consecutive times, and in the 15 line here I initialize to a larger number, and in the 21 till 24 line here I check the circular difference between last and first time points. Okay, so I hope you understand till here. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so the running code has been accepted or not. Let's see. So it has been accepted here, you can see. Now our last thing is to submit this. So when I submit this, the submission code is also be accepted, and I beat 61.06% people very easily. So I'm pasting this solution, easy solution, and then beats 61.09% in Python 3 for explanation. Visit Rayyan. So now I am posting the solution now. So here you can see it, I posted it. So here you can see it. In today's video we solve question number 539 by the name of minimum time difference. So if you want to view my profile by the name of Rayyan, so you can also be view it. I hope you enjoy today's promotion website, and it will be help you in your coding journey by the name of codespy.ai. If you don't visit codespy.ai, it is very beneficial and very helpful for you in your coding journey for detect you how to detect a AI Detector Pro website. It will work in the small business, medium sized business, and also in a larger business. So go and visit that website, which will help you in your coding journey, and it is very beneficial for who are starting his coding journey. Go and please view the codespy.ai. I give you the link in the description of that website, so go and view it. Okay, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, if you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you know about these type of videos on their channel. And if anybody wants to promote their website or want a paid promotions, so please, I'll give you the email in my description and in my channel bio, and my email is rayyanbig1253@gmail.com. So go and email me for paid promotions and these type of things. Now anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class, and go and visit codespy.ai, link in the description. Now anyways, for today, goodbye.